Hi, welcome to the IT Starter tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to access your IT Starter, set up your GID account, and log into Moodle. Your GID is your Global Identification Number. This number is how we identify you and is unique to each student. And Moodle is the online learning tool where you will access your course information and materials. Let's begin. First, make sure you are on the UNSW Global landing page. To do this, go to my.unswglobal.unsw.edu.au. Once the page is loaded, you will need to navigate to the bottom of the page and select English Language Courses. Click this link to open the IT Starter in a new tab. Click the yellow Here button to get started. This is the IT Starter introduction page. This page contains the information about what will be covered in today's IT Starter. Click here to begin. This is the GID account activation page. At the top of this window, you should see a drop-down menu that says Select Language. You can use this to change the language of the IT Starter if you feel that that would be easier for you, but we do recommend that you try it in English. To change the language, simply select from the drop-down list and the page will translate. If you change the language, this toolbar will appear. Toggle between the translation and the original by clicking this button, or simply turn off the translation by clicking the X button. We will now start our GID activation. You may already know your GID number, but if not, go to Step 1 and open the menu. You will see a sample confirmation of enrollment, or COE. Each student will have received this letter. On your COE, you will be able to see your G number. Once you have located your G number, go to Step 2. Open the menu under Step 2 and click the Password Self-Help link. On this page, you will need to enter your G number and the digits shown here. Once you have entered these details, click OK. Before we set our password, we are going to set up our question and answers profile. Click here. Here, you will be asked for a password. Each new student at UNSW Global will be issued with a temporary password. To find this password, go back to your IT Starter and go to Step 5. Click B as you are a new student. Here, you will see the format of your temporary password. It is a capital U, followed by a lowercase nsw, then the year, the month, and the day that you were born. You can see some samples here if you need help. Once you know your temporary password, you can enter it. Once you've entered your temporary password, click Next. This is your question and answers profile. On this page, you will set up 3 security questions that you can use to reset your password if you forget it. Select a question from the drop-down and provide an answer that you will remember. Once you have created your 3 security questions, enter your personal email at the bottom and click Next. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Please make sure it is a password you will remember and do not share it with anyone else. Once you have created your password, click Next. Once you see this page, you have successfully created your security questions and updated your password. You can now close this page. That completes the GID activation portion of your IT Starter. On the bottom of this page, you will see the email for the UNSW Global IT Help Desk. If you have any issues setting up your GID account, please send an email. If you have successfully completed your GID account activation, click Next to continue your IT starter. Pause this video here and resume it when you reach the page Accessing Moodle. Welcome back to your IT starter tutorial video. Here we will be showing you how to access Moodle. First, we will need to go back to the My UNSW Global homepage. Click the link for Moodle under UNSW English Language Courses. Enter your G number and the password you just created. This is your Moodle dashboard. Once your course commences, this is where you will find all your subject and class resources. But for now, you may just have the Student Consultations tab. Student Consultations contains lots of important information and announcements. This page changes regularly, so it's important to check it. The Student Consultations page is also where you'll find your class details and your timetable. This concludes your IT starter. If you would like more information about the IT services and systems in place at UNSW Global, you can go back to the UNSW Global homepage. Open the English Language Courses IT Starter again and access the IT FAQs and the full IT induction. This is where you access the full IT induction. It is optional at this stage, but if you have created your GID account and have accessed Moodle and would like to know more, you can continue here.